The equation f of x is equal to negative x plus 3 squared plus 1 represents f of x. And the graph below represents g of x. And notice that they label g of x. Determine which statements are false. We need to graph this first equation first, or this first function. If you notice, we have a x squared, and this is on vertex form, where my vertex, h and k, so be negative 3 and positive 1. So negative 3 and positive 1, that's my vertex. And if you notice, it faces down. In this case, I'm just going to make a quick sketch. I can draw the line of symmetry. And if I need to, I can plug in different values for x and get a more exact graph. But for now, we're doing a quick sketch. And if I notice this is negative, so that means that my parabola will be facing down. And now it says, determine which statements are false. So let's go through the statements and determine which ones are false. The line of symmetry of g of x, that's g of x, is x equal to negative 1. Remember, your line of symmetry goes through your vertex, just like we did here. And it's a vertical line, so therefore it's going to be x equal to a number, in this case x equal to negative 1, since it crosses the x-axis at negative 1. So that one's true. The maximum of g of x is less than the maximum of f of x. So the maximum of g of x is less than the maximum of f of x. That's false. But that's the answer that we want because we want it to be false. So this is false and that's true. So just be careful. You are looking for the ones that are false. So B can be an answer or will be an answer. But we can have more than one answer. So let's go through the other statements. The value of x when g of x is at its maximum is less than the value of x when f of x is at its maximum. So you can do it through the x values, but in this case, let's just go and write down the vertex for each one. The vertex for this is negative 1 to the left 1 and a 5. And the value of this vertex, which is f of x, is negative 3 and positive 1. So is the value of x, of g of x, we're talking about the value of x, is less than the value of f of x at its maximum? No. This one is bigger. Negative 1 is bigger than negative 3. So that is false. But that's what we're looking for. We're looking for false statements. Letter D. The line of symmetry of f of x is x equal to 3. No. The line of symmetry is x equal to negative 3. So therefore that's no, but we're looking for false statements. So therefore your answer is B, C, and D.